What does true wealth look like in 2026? It's not stark white minimalism, and it's definitely not shiny, gold-plated excess. This year, the world's most elite homes are shifting towards something far more captivating: minimalism and modern heritage. It's a design language that values tactile craftsmanship, hidden technology, and spaces that feel deeply personal yet breathtakingly lavish. If you want to elevate your space from ordinary to an architectural masterpiece, you need to know these rules. Today, we are breaking down the definitive luxury home decor trends of 2026, and the final one on our list is completely redefining upscale living. Let's dive in. For years, cold modernism dominated high-end estates. But in 2026, we are craving warmth. Enter minimalism, the perfect, curated sweet spot between the restraint of minimalism and the storytelling of maximalism. Instead of filling a room, top designers are focusing on fewer, better statement pieces. Think custom, curved silhouettes that mimic natural forms, upholstered in rich tactile fabrics like heavyweight linen and raw wool. Notice the surfaces, too. True luxury is found in the imperfections of nature. We are seeing a massive surge in home travertine, unlacquered metals that develop a beautiful patina over time, and deeply grained dark walnut replacing the overused light oak of the past. It feels grounded, timeless, and effortlessly expensive. The interior design landscape of 2026 marks a definitive departure from the sterile minimalism of previous decades. The millennial gray aesthetic has been replaced by a movement toward organic maximalism and emotional ergonomics. This shift prioritizes psychological comfort and sensory depth over stark, clinical cleanliness. The 2026 Earth-inspired palette. The transition toward an enveloping palette is rooted in biophilic design, the practice of connecting indoor environments to the natural world. Deep moss greens, moving beyond sage, 2026 favors forest floor tones. These pigments contain heavy black and brown undertones, which have been scientifically shown to lower cortisol levels and create a grounding effect in high-stress environments like home offices. Rich terracotta. This is not the bright orange of the past, but a baked earth hue. It draws inspiration from artisanal pottery and Mediterranean clay, providing a tactile warmth that mimics the glow of sunset. Sophisticated midnight blues. These shades act as a new neutral. By utilizing deep indigos with charcoal bases, designers create a sense of infinite space and intellectual calm, making them the primary choice for primary suites and libraries. The architecture of the fifth wall. The ceiling, historically neglected and painted contractor white, is now recognized as the most influential surface in a room. In 2026, the white ceiling is viewed as a visual lid that prematurely halts the eye, making rooms feel shorter and disjointed. The fifth wall philosophy. By treating the ceiling as an integral part of the color scheme, designers can manipulate the perceived volume of a room. A dark ceiling in a small room does not close it in, rather, it obscures the corners, making the boundaries of the room difficult for the brain to calculate, which creates an illusion of vastness. The technique. Color drenching. Color drenching is the sophisticated application of a single pigment across every visible surface: walls, wainscoting, window trim, doors, radiators, and the ceiling. The matte requirement. The success of this trend relies on a flat or dead matte finish. Matte surfaces absorb light rather than reflecting it, which softens the intensity of deep colors and prevents the plastic look associated with higher sheens. Visual continuity. This method eliminates visual noise, the high contrast breaks created by white trim or white ceilings. When the trim matches the wall, the architectural lines become subtle textures rather than distractions. The boutique atmosphere. This approach mimics high-end hospitality design found in London and Paris. It transforms a standard residential room into a curated cocoon, providing a sense of total immersion that feels expensive, intentional, and architecturally significant. Implementation details for 2026 lighting integration. Color-drenched rooms require layered lighting, warm LEDs, 2700K, to highlight the depth of the matte pigment's texture contrast. While the color remains the same, designers are encouraged to vary textures, such as velvet upholstery against a matte plaster wall, to maintain visual interest within the monochromatic scheme. Hardware accents. Deep earth tones are best complemented by living finishes like unlacquered brass or oil-rubbed bronze, which patina over time and enhance the organic feel of the 2026 palette. The modern heritage movement represents a sophisticated shift in interior design, moving away from the sterile minimalism of the early 2020s toward a philosophy rooted in architectural storytelling. By 2026, this pillar will dominate high-end residential projects, focusing on the seamless integration of historical reverence and cutting-edge precision. 1. The architectural foundation. Reimagine traditionalism. Modern heritage relies on the structural bones of a home to communicate quality. Fluted millwork and textural depth. Beyond simple wall panels, 2026 sees the rise of microfluting on oversized pivot doors and ceiling coffers. This adds rhythmic shadows that change throughout the day, providing a dynamic backdrop for modern art. Inset cabinetry 2.0. The classic English shaker style is being refined with ultra-thin stiles and rails. We are seeing a move toward integrated heritage, where traditional inset cabinetry hides state-of-the-art, handle-less smart appliances, blending 19th century craftsmanship with 21st century convenience. English country silhouettes. Expect to see the return of the rolled arm sofa and bobbin leg chairs, but upholstered in unexpected, high-performance fabrics like technical velvets or heavy-gauge bouclés and moody, desaturated tones. Point 2. The curatorial philosophy, the collected aesthetic. The 2026 luxury market rejects the big box furniture set. The objective is to create an environment that suggests a lineage of taste. Temporal layering. A space should feel like a living archive. This involves the intentional layering of eras, placing a 17th century French fruitwood commode beneath a neon-infused abstract canvas. Authenticity over perfection. The collected look embraces the patina of age. Designers are sourcing found objects with visible wear, cracked leather, weathered brass, and reclaimed timber, to ground the slickness of modern glass and steel. Storytelling through sourcing. Every piece must have a provenance. Whether it is a custom commission from a local artisan or a mid-century piece salvaged from a gallery, the narrative of the object becomes as important as its function. Point 3. Mastering visual friction, the high-end edge. Visual friction is the deliberate juxtaposition of opposing textures, eras, and forms. It is the secret ingredient that prevents a room from feeling flat. Material tension. Para hand-knotted, vegetable-dyed Aushak rug, soft, organic, historical, with an oversized, honed Nero Marquina marble dining table, hard, geometric, modern. The softness of the wool against the cold, sharp edge of the stone creates a sensory contrast that signals luxury. Color counterpoints. Use a traditional heritage palette, forest greens, oxblood, and navy, but execute them in high-gloss lacquers or matte metallic finishes. Lighting is the bridge. Use ultra-modern, architectural lighting, such as laser-thin LED suspension lines, to illuminate traditional plaster moldings. This highlight and shadow play emphasizes the craftsmanship of the past while firmly rooting the room in the present. Point 4. Implementation strategy for 2026. To achieve this look, follow the 70-30 rule. 70% contemporary execution, clean lines, functional layouts, and modern technology. 30% heritage soul, antique accents, traditional textures, and artisanal craftsmanship. This balance ensures the home remains functional and fresh while possessing the soul and character of a residence that has stood for generations. In 2026, luxury is not defined by what is new, but by how beautifully the new respects the old. The evolution of luxury in 2026 is defined by the seamless threshold, a design philosophy where the boundary between the interior and the natural world is functionally erased. Architects are increasingly utilizing zero-threshold transitions and matching slab materials, such as oversized porcelain or natural travertine, that extend from the interior hearth to the exterior terrace. This infinite floor technique visually doubles the square footage and is often paired with motorized, retractable glass wall systems that disappear into hidden wall pockets, effectively turning the primary living area into an open-air pavilion. The era of the smart home has transitioned into the invisible home. The aesthetic shift moves away from visible hardware and aggressive, overhead recessed lighting, often referred to as Swiss cheese ceilings. In its place, designers are installing quiet ceilings featuring plaster-in LED channels that are recessed flush with the drywall, providing a soft, architectural glow without visible fixtures. These systems are governed by sophisticated AI algorithms that track the sun's position, automatically adjusting Kelvin temperatures from a crisp 5000 K at midday to a warm, melatonin-friendly 1800 K by dusk to support the inhabitants' circadian rhythms. Furthermore, the residential bathroom has been reimagined as a professional-grade medical spa. Beyond standard steam showers, 2026 homes feature integrated hydrotherapy circuits, including chromotherapy, color-infused water, and aromatherapy infusion systems. Climate control has evolved to include medical-grade HEPA and UVC air filtration and humidity regulation tailored to specific zones. Sensory lighting in these wellness areas is specifically programmed to biohack the nervous system, using specific light frequencies to reduce cortisol levels or increase morning alertness, transforming the home into a proactive tool for longevity and mental health. Creating a luxury home in 2026 represents a fundamental shift away from the sterile, mass-produced aesthetics of previous years. It isn't about chasing every passing fad or filling a room with recognizable brand names. Instead, it's about investing in authenticity, texture, and character. This new era of design, often referred to as Quiet Luxury 2.0, prioritizes the sensory experience of a home over its immediate visual impact. Authenticity in 2026 is defined by material integrity. We are seeing a move toward raw, honest materials, think unhoned travertine, hand-applied lime wash walls, and reclaimed timber that showcases its natural knots and imperfections. These elements provide a grounding presence in an increasingly digital world. Texture has moved beyond simple throw pillows, it is now architectural. The 2026 luxury home rejects the showroom look in favor of a collected atmosphere. This involves blending ultramodern, bespoke furniture with 20th century vintage finds and artisanal pieces that tell a specific story. It is about creating a space that could only belong to you, reflecting your travels, your heritage, and your personal taste rather than a catalog page. Which of these design shifts are you ready to bring into your own space? Are you leaning toward the rugged beauty of organic textures, or are you looking to infuse more historical character into a modern build? Drop a comment below and let me know how you're planning to evolve your environment. If you found this inspiration valuable and want to stay ahead of the curve in the world of high-end aesthetics, make sure to hit that like button. Subscribe for more exclusive interior design breakdowns where we analyze the architecture, materials, and philosophies shaping the world's most stunning homes. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you're the first to see our weekly deep dives. Your dream home is waiting, go create it. See you in the next video.